What is going on, guys? It's your boy Devin with Deteki back with a brand new YouTube video. Today's video, we're back here with a brand new YouTube video. Like I just said, but today's video we're gonna go back with the graphic design tutorial video today. I haven't done these for a long time, but you know, we're back into the grind and stuff and all that and stuff. Like, you know, might as well just get into it. I haven't done a video a long time, but I've been doing graphic designing for a long time, so like I know how to do much of this stuff. So a person here named Dogu Kangrakas, I don't know if I'm saying your name right, but he says can you please make a type 2 Yassuo thumbnail? And I told him sure, I'll go ahead and make one. Just gonna give me time to get a new PC and make a video. So this is where Yasuo's thumbnails are looking like. I'm also subscribed to Yasuo. I watch Yasuo a lot, but you can see all those thumbnails are pretty cool. The last video I made was 5 months ago, and it does not look as well as the one that he has. So we're mainly going to use this top part of Yasuo. We're not going to use his legs, so it doesn't really matter if we're going to. I do not have the original picture of him. I just took a screenshot of it, so it might look kind of blurry. I don't know how to get original picture off. So usually this picture is like in here, and it's usually faded in, not faded in, but with a gradient map. So we're going to go ahead and start off with a purple background, because in the video that I saw, he has like a purple background right here, somewhere here. So we're gonna go ahead and use a purple background. So we're gonna go ahead and mess with these gradient map tools, and I'll give you guys settings real quick. So it's usually faded in like this. So the color that I'm using here is you can just copy this code right here, the hex color, 811299, and the darker color that I'm using right here is the hex number code is 231932. Go ahead and use that, and I'll press OK. Alright, let's go back into the thumbnail that we're looking at here. So he has like a glow effect around his body, around here, like going up a trail like that, and we're going to go ahead and use that real quick. So you want to click on the layer of the picture of Yasuo you got here, this one here. Click on FX, click on inner glow, and then we're going to go ahead and use like a light purple, and then turn the opacity up, and then change up the size. Put in the size like just about in there, like it's about 43 that I have right here. Press OK, and then go back into outer glow. Go to FX, go to outer glow, change this to a lighter pink as well, and then change up the size, change up the screen. Kind of the pink. It's kind of pink, so I'm just gonna like change it, try to get it to purple. Alright, so the font that I'm using right here is called Unisans. I'll leave a link to the description down below and how to get this font. This font's really good. This font's not the same exact font that Yasuo is using in the thumbnail right here, but we're gonna go ahead and try that out. So we're gonna name this thumbnail whatever we want. I'm gonna go ahead and name it a 20 kill game, and just maybe probably like put a picture of the character he's playing, like Yasuo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So in this thumbnail, he has a yellow gradient style. So like I'm pretty sure it's this one on the bottom right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and right click, go to style, copy 32, and then click on this button right here and go into new style. If you guys don't have the styles tab, all you guys gotta do is go up to here into the top, go to window, and click on styles right here. If there's no check bar on it, that means that you don't have it, so make sure to click on it and you'll give you the layer styles. But if you have the check mark on it, that means you have it. So you just either skim through these tabs and you'll have the styles pack right there. So I'm going to click be clicked on the 20 layer, make sure I'm on the layer, and then click on layer style, and then I'll apply that layer style onto that. And usually like the drop shot is not that good, like when you automatically put a default layer style. So I just like to enhance the size inside the drop shadow. So my drop shadow size is 40. Of course, OK. Alright, so now since we're finished about that, we're gonna go ahead and add a picture of Yasuo, the person that he's playing inside the game, and we're gonna go ahead and use the same picture that we saw here, the battle boss Yasuo, and we're just gonna go ahead and press copy image. go ahead and paste it in here. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn it the other way because we don't want to be faced that way. We want to be able to face everything between in the middle of the thumbnail. So we're going to enhance this. And then we're going to go ahead and move the picture of Yassuo all the way to the corner, the main picture, the main middle of the picture of the Yassuo, and just put it right there in the corner. And drag it all the way to the bottom so we have it above the gradient map tool, so we want to be able to see it still. And then grab your guys' eraser brush and then press Alt and then hold right click, and then you'll be able to move it. Make sure your hardness is all the way down to 0, and then you can resize to whatever you guys want. So like hardness is either you go up or down, so make sure that's 0% and just change it sideways, left or right, to either change the diameter. And then we're gonna go ahead and erase half of this part of the what's it called, the picture of Yassuo here. And you guys can erase whatever part you guys want. Just make sure you guys want to keep the whole picture of itself like in the picture. And then yeah, so that's mainly it. All you guys could want to do is probably add some pictures of like anything else you guys want in here, like maybe like the items you guys are gonna be using. I'm gonna go ahead and add more brush refinements and just brush around with a purple brush, and let's see what we have from there. Alright guys, I just finished up making the thumbnail. I just put some question marks that sometimes he has in his thumbnail. I put like a little brush here, right here with the 20s at, and I just go ahead and scroll down the filters and picture that I wanted that one. I went ahead and go into the curves, and I just edited out some curves. I just added some color gradients and some dark colors and add some bright colors back inside the photo. So this is pretty much it. This is what his thumbnail pretty much looks like. I can't get the exact font. The font is what's killing me right now, and same with the layer styles. But if you guys want to see more videos just like this, make sure to go ahead and comment down below. If you guys have any YouTubers you guys want me to recreate their thumbnails, just go ahead and leave that down below. I know I'm gonna be trying a lot, but yeah, so it's been your guys' boy Devin, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out guys.